Yeah.
You got it. Okay, I guess the kind of things we were looking at is where's the future of our society, our culture going? And I guess the kinds of things we see is everything has to be much more sustainable, much more usable over a long period of time. So we're looking into things that could be reused, reappropriated, things that have multiple uses, because we see the design of buildings, architecture is much more smaller, enclosed home and living spaces. Therefore, I guess functionality is a key point, but also with this comes an idea that different things have different functional states. If we look around us now, you see desks, tables, chairs that have just one functional use, that's to be sat on, to be sat at. But when not sat at or not sat on, then it's creating a lot of dead space in here. So by giving things multi-functions that can double up, so that if you have friends over, suddenly the bookcase can become a bench or another table, allows much more usage and, I guess, longevity to products.
Just going to add to that as well, the idea of picking up on longevity. We like the idea of heritage, and so, alright, so we use it, but we might want to pass it on. A lot of us talked about pieces of furniture that we know from the past and we still have, and maybe ways of recording kind of moments when we were with those pieces of furniture, and it could be maybe a service like Gumtree, even it's a service already that passes something on to somebody else when we no longer want to use it, and it gets reappropriated. But we have sort of a tangent of thinking maybe that, again, if we record that online somewhere, so we take a photo of us with it, or we write a story about it, and then as a piece of furniture gets passed on, maybe there's some coding or something on it that someone else records as they use it. They're doing it in fashion at the moment, but we thought maybe in furniture too. That was a tangent.
I think, especially with...
I was just going to say, pretty much having a way to record it on whatever the device is. So if you want to take a picture or a story, like you said, but it would be engraved in the object, whatever it is.
I think, yes, and I think the things we realised was that time is signified in two ways, through erosion and accretion or accretion. So it's either you're adding something over time or literally rubbing the stuff away. So I guess a few ideas that we came up with is, one thing that I love in particular is the 90s Technicolor fabrics that change colour with heat. So again, using these fabrics for sofas to show how they're used at different times. In the evening, you suddenly see a bit of budding up there and you wonder what your housemates are doing. Or again, so then or other things, as we said, I just said, with the bookcases are multi-state to change functions and use, or certain touch-sensitive, photosensitive tabletops that adapt to. I think we're okay for that one. Okay. But again, so we can record somehow the setting here, whether it's through light sensitivity, and then it changes colour, so when you clear everything, there's still a remnant of what was there previously. Or I guess the kind of more abstract was that somehow you can actually engrave in your table through like a seismic reader, so that it replicates maybe the sound or the movement in a room. So the more movement and life there is, I guess the more this table gets scratched into, which I guess will sort of show you the amount of use you've had, also how when you look back over your life, how much fun you've had, depending on the life of it.
Yeah, and the idea of archaeology and sort of trying to eat into that digitally as well, maybe just kind of unveil those narratives would be quite interesting to say.
That's great.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.